Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries